On the manufacturing floor, work doesn't happen at a desk. It happens on the move, across forklifts, shared workstations, and mobile devices. So when technology slows down, even for a moment, people feel it. An extra login, a locked account, or a non-responsive device. But when it works the way it should, no one stops to think about it. And that's the point. In environments where efficiency and uptime are critical, every part of the workflow has to perform. From devices that are easy to use, to mounts that secure them in motion, to passwordless authentication that gives each worker instant, personalized access, to seamless shift handoffs. With rugged mobile devices, workers stay connected wherever the job takes them. Purpose-built mounting solutions keep those devices secure, stable, and ready in motion. And secure, frictionless authentication ensures every login is fast, compliant, and tied to the right user, even on shared devices. From the warehouse floor to the forklift and back again, the right technology strengthens security, supports safer operations, and protects uptime, while empowering the people who keep work moving. Together, Imprivata, Havis, and Zebra enable smooth and efficient manufacturing operations.